Hey traders, today we're taking a hard look at Effortsity.com. Effortsity.com has recently come under scrutiny due to the lack of available information, raising significant concerns for potential users. Unregulated operations. Effortsity.com does not appear to be registered or regulated by any recognized financial authority. This lack of oversight is a significant red flag for investor protection. Regulatory bodies like the SEC, FCA, or SISEC ensure that trading platforms adhere to strict standards, safeguarding users' investments. Low trust score. According to Scam Advisor, Effortsity.com has a very low trust score, indicating a high likelihood that the website may be fraudulent. This assessment is based on various factors, including the website's age, owner details, and user feedback. Withdrawal issues. Numerous user complaints have surfaced regarding difficulties in withdrawing funds from Effortsity.com. Report Scam Trading highlights that many users are unable to withdraw their investments, which is a common tactic used by fraudulent platforms to trap funds. Unrealistic promises. Effortsity.com makes numerous false claims on its website, including promises of high returns and passive income opportunities. Such guarantees are often a hallmark of investment scams, as legitimate platforms cannot assure consistent high returns without risk. Negative reviews. A closer look at reviews on various scam alert websites, including scamtips.net, reveals a lack of credibility and multiple warning signs pointing to Effortsity.com being a fraudulent cryptocurrency exchange. Users are advised to be wary of platforms that lack positive, verifiable reviews on trusted sites like Trustpilot and Reviews.io. If you've been scammed by Effortsity.com, there are resources available. But be careful. Don't fall for another get-your-money-back-quick scheme. Instead, contact brokercomplaintalert.com to get a free consultation and recovery service. We provide recommendations to get help in recovering the lost funds. Report your case to us. You can find the link in the video description. Before you invest with any broker, do your homework. Read independent reviews, check their regulations,